Wait, where you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't. Come back. We're running right back. Here we go again.
Getting the pizza. And wings for Julia.
What are you yelling about?
Rusty can't catch. Aside.
Okay, what are we playing?
It's called Coop. Actually, I don't know if that's the name, but it's a frisbee game. And you throw the frisbee and you try to get it in this hole. Or your partner on the other side tries to hit it in. If you get it in, it's 1 point. If you get it in here, it's 2 points. First team to 21 wins.
Nice.
That was pretty good explained. Leave it. Leave it.
Throw it for Rusty.
Get it! Suck.
Rusty, get out of the way.
Ah, I thought it made it.
No, unfortunately.
Yourself, no worries. Just follow after me. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left now and dip with it. Don't throw down, take a sip with it and lean back, put your hips in it. Let's have fun. To the left now. To the right, to the right. Now take your left hand and put it on your side. Don't roll your shoulders. Do the slip and slide. This next part's my favorite part of this time to shine. Gonna do the two-step and cowboy boogie. Grab a sweetheart and spin out with him. Do the hold down and get into it. Take it to the left.
Vlog update.
Vlog update. We went and we got yogurt milk. And now we're gonna
Oh, we're gonna watch Us.
which we
But
haven't
first,
seen.
we're gonna play Jungle Speed. It's really fun if you've never played it.
Which I have never
so
played it.
or a little short thing how to play. Basically, you flip the cars, and then when you get the same car, everyone chases the baton, and like sometimes you like fight over it, and like whoever loses all their cars first wins.
Nice. I did the wrong way.
Rusty, no. Rusty, no.
TV. Gosh darn it. Alright. Okay. Wait.
I was like, oh.
Hey, whoever gets this card needs to be Brianna.
I do it so I can help it.
Shazam sings Entangled. And it's like,
I see the light.
yep, but not the
I see the.
not I.
See the light.
Yeah.
Whoa, that's cheating.
No, it's not. She said most of
Okay,
it.
you're blank and you're blank. The next thing I know, you're what and what? The next thing I know, you're in and you're out.
Oh.
You're up and you're down.
Yeah.
Oh my God, no! You're what and you're what? You're up and you're down. You're wrong when it's right. When it's right, when it's right. That's why we break up. No, it's the first part. It's already done. It's hot and cold.
That's literally the name of the song.
I literally said you're blank and you're blank.
We won.
Okay, vlog update. We just got ready for the beach. And I'll show Julia's outfit. Julia's outfit.
of my outfit of the day. But these shorts are from Target.
They're
This
actually
is
really
like,
cute.
I've never worn this because it's see-through, but like, since we're on the beach. And then this swimsuit's from Target as well.
We got there for the river trip, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cute. And then we're bringing the paddles and boogie board, which is not here yet. Okay.
Outfit of the day.
I don't know where I got any of this from. Actually, it's Hollister and Cotton On.
Okay.
So Cotton On is actually the best. Oh, I just got this from San Diego the last time we were at the beach, and they're really nice.
Oh, these are cute.
I wear them all the time.
They got my name wrong.
Of course.
They're fake.
So we just made it to Coronado, and I did parallel parking again, and it was actually perfect. Just got back from boogie boarding. My name wrong for the second time today. Man, we're at the Burger Lounge. I think it's vegan, but I really don't know. Okay, it is vegan, but it should be good. Okay, it is vegan, but it should be good.
I wouldn't even buy anything over there.
Yeah, so we just went into a store and I looked at one shirt and it was $150 and it's definitely not worth it. So it's the next day after the beach and my face is like really, really burnt, and I just went to Old Navy with my mom and got like tons of new stuff because they had a huge sale. And yeah, and I was actually at Vaughn's and I saw the coolest floaty ever, and it was a floaty and it was the Millennium Falcon from Star Wars and it fit like 2 people. It was so cool. But anyway, that's the end of the vlog, and thanks for watching.